Hello, teacher. First, my name is Pablo Emilio Lopez, a student of engineering environment. My usual situations is related to horseback riding. In our daily stress is being present in our lives. In one weekend, some friends having invited me to go for horseback riding in Villa Restrepo. Display displays as weekend a tourist attraction because of big good climb mountains being surrounded by nature. It had never ridden a horse, but had accepted the invitation. The change my daily environment. It, it took it to Susana to calm y nervous because o also to my curious experience riding a horse. Um, I think it had become more nervosa society, Hayan, a mother, after short sinner riding the horse we had uh, Ben son veces nochos to guide the horse propelling. We had traveled por grande by known Don Sal Conveima River um, within night five identified the tranquility and beautiful nurtures. We 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 take cheap experience wearing a horse had managed to weaken I feeling Chan Michael assure for the interaction between man and animal.